Hi, today we're going to be taking on Boston Review look at Bear Grylls Gerber Survival 7 Tools Greenhorn Tool. That's what it's called. So it's just, a simple little pocket knife. You get a pair of tweezers, your standard 2-pit. So you get a fine edge blade. Yeah. Flat screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Another free. Where is free? Right there, it's free. 4 is a can opener. 5 is a bottle opener. 6 is your tweezers. And 7 is your 2-pit. So those are starting. And then of course, his little survival pocket guide. I guess this is part number 897101-F. You go online to GERBERgear.com. So yeah, guess this Gerber gear, it's made in Portland. That's where Gerber gear is located at. But it's actually made in China. That's right. Dun 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 dun, dun China. That's where this gear is made at. To be honest with you, I really don't like his gear that much. And there is good reason why. No, one, his gear is ridiculously overpriced. It's just a BS price for his stuff. I mean, I had a little fire starter. There was like this little brat. Kind of looks like this shape almost. That you pull apart. One end has the magnesium ferrorod. The other end has, the striker. You strike it. What does it do? It starts fire. Why did you buy it? Because you need a fire starter. You buy it to do its job. Its job is to start fire. That's why it's a fire starter. That's why you buy it, right? I only pay like 10 or 15. Not. I'm getting tongue tied here. 10 or 12 bahts for that. Can't exactly remember the actual price, but it's like between 10 and 12, which is not that bad. I go and I see his right next to it. 56 bahts. I'm like, are you effing out of your mind? Retarded craziness? It was literally the same fire starter that was between, the $10 to $12 price range one, but he was selling it for 56 bahts. Only things that were different was, one, it had his name on there instead of the UST, Ultimate Survival Technology, which, by the way, that is a fantastic company. They always come through like 99 to 100% on all their products. UST, Ultimate Survival Technology, they're number one. Their prices for the Ultimate Survival Technology or type of stuff, very, very affordable, dirt cheap prices. I mean, it's where everyone could be able to afford to get one of those types of stuff from the UST, Ultimate Survival Technology. While Gerber, or, this Bear Grylls, this dude, it's like you have to be the fancy, smancy type of ha 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 for cocktail parties on yachts type of aristocrats to, afford this stuff. It's just too overpriced. I'm looking at it like, okay, I'm buying a fire starter to start a fire. If a $10 to $12 thing starts a fire, why would I spend 56 bucks for the exact same thing? The only difference was, one, bid major price different, like 3 to 5 times the amount or price. height. 2, it had his name on it. And 3, it came with this little itty bitty teeny tiny plastic whistle. I'm like, if I'm going to buy a fire starter, I'm going to buy it to do its job, which is to start a fire. That's why, for no one, I like this guy's price. Because usually I cannot afford his price, because his products are just too overpriced. Ultimate Survival Technology, UST, very dirt cheap. That's why I'm always buying the stuff. Price wise, they're dirt cheap. Quality wise, 100% top notch, triple grade A quality. I mean, those things are like the best of the best quality that you can pretty much get. So, yeah. Number 2, I guess he made a show, but you can't really find any episodes of his show on YouTube, not even on cable, which is kind of weird. Number 3, I heard that he treated his like camera crew and stuff very badly. Like, it was really uptight, rude, mean to them. That's why I don't really buy his stuff that much. Because what I heard from his camera crew, how they were treated, I don't really know too much on that story, but that's what I heard. His show, you can't really find his show, so I can't find any episodes of his show, to be honest with you. Yeah, I have tried turning them down. I tried YouTube, I tried, like I said, cable, and no, I just couldn't really find anything. And the biggest thing, price. Price, 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 price. That's what turns a lot of people off of his stuff. No one is the biggest thing, the price point. I mean, if you're looking at things and you're like, a ferro fire starter, 10 to 12 bucks price wise. His stuff, ferro fire starter, 50 cents butts. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that 10 to $12 price range one. Because you know what? If it starts a fire, that's what I bought it for, right? So why would I pay like, what is it, like almost 5 to 7 times more for his thing to do the same exact same results? Yeah, no thanks. I'll go with the cheap stuff that actually shows the results. Okay. So yeah, for me it's mostly his price point stuff. Now I got this over at Menards on sale for 10 bucks. This originally went for 20 bucks at Menards. Which I seen the Swiss Army knife one that they had there, okay? And it came with like the basic fleece gear, your knife, your scissors, and your nail file. Maybe it came with 5, like, the 2-pit and the tweezers. So I think it was knife, scissors, nail file, 2-pit, and tweezers. And they were charging about 15 bucks for that. I'm like, oh my god, this is so out of hand ridiculous for little EB teeny tiny pocket knives that they are not like, has everything in the world in them. They only have a couple little tools and they're charging like 15 to 20 bucks for them. I'm like, no. It's just, no. But yeah, let's go ahead and let him. He's even like, really? This is what I gotta use? Come on, let this knife. It's a flat edge knife. He's like, it's not even a knife. I wish that Survivor Man, if you ever seen his show is awesome and great. He teaches you a lot of great stuff, how to survive in all different types of situations and stuff. I wish that he came with his own line of gear like this. And if he did, he'll probably have more at the reasonable budget price so that everyone can have this gear put up for like butt out beds, inch beds, survival, so-called zombie apocalypse or whatever. That at least you would be able to afford the gear to survive that type of situation. That's what I feel that if he came out with his own gear, it would be reasonably priced, like around the ultimate survival technology type of price range. If you ever saw the other show, Dual Survival, where it's these two guys that has to survive a situation. One guy is kind of like this free range, Native American hippie that always goes around barefoot. This other guy is like this top notch military guy where it's like everything's gotta be mil spec, everything's gotta be the butt, it's gotta be by the code, you know, type of deal. And you see how they're thrown into survival situations, and they're struggling. They're not has like, okay, you're a hippie, you're a military, you gotta follow orders, but you know what? We're a blank creep without a paddle. How the hell are we gonna get out of here? And they figure it out. They compromise. They get the job done. They get out of that situation. So yeah. So yeah, I feel like if any of those two, Survival Man or Dual Survival came with their gear, it'll be a little bit more reasonable price, and I probably would be jumping on that gear, just buying it up. But yeah, his stuff, like I said, for me, it's just way too overpriced. Let's see something